Hey, wealthy globe family, did you know that 95% of American workers are planning to look for a new job in 2024? Money plays a huge part in this decision, and today, we're diving into why people switch jobs, how to figure out if you're underpaid, and how to make the most strategic career moves to level up your life. Let's get started.
45% of workers say they need a higher income, and the numbers prove that switching jobs often brings bigger pay raises. For example, in early 2024, people who switched jobs saw a salary increase of 5.9%, compared to just 5.1% for those who stayed put. People doubled their salary after just a year and a half of switching roles. But job hopping isn't just about the money. It's about growth, finding the right environment, and setting yourself up for long-term success. While job hopping can be great for pay, there's a risk of moving too fast. Companies might see you as an expensive head if you climb the ranks too quickly without solid experience. Plus, some benefits, like 401k matches, only vest after a few years. So, how long should you stay at a job? Studies show the median tenure is 3 to 4 years, but younger workers tend to leave faster. It's not just about loyalty, it's about what you're learning. The key focus should be on building skills that add real value to your career. Here's a shocking stat. Only 34% of Americans are satisfied with their pay. Sometimes, it's hard to know if you're underpaid. Employees start losing interest in their work when they found out a coworker doing a similar job made over double their salary. This difference could be a result of multiple reasons, like you are not better at navigating workplace politics and negotiating. This also taught us that closed mouths don't get fed. If you suspect you're underpaid, research market rates on sites like Glassdoor, Indeed, or Salary.com. But remember, location, industry, and experience all factor into compensation. When it's time to ask for a raise, preparation is everything. Show your boss the value you've brought to the company. Don't compare yourself to coworkers directly, this can backfire. Instead, highlight your contributions and how they align with market rates. But what if your employer isn't receptive? It might be time to quietly start looking for new opportunities. Just make sure you have a new offer in hand before giving notice. Trust me guys, I've been there. It's scary, but the payoff can be life-changing. While job switching often leads to pay increases, long-term loyalty can pay off too. Many top earners in companies are longtime employees who've proven their value over decades. That said, your career should serve you, not the other way around. Early in our career, we should make a point to leave roles where we aren't growing or learning the skills we needed. It's about finding a balance between loyalty and ambition. Younger generations are changing the game by asking, how does my career serve my life goals? They're more likely to switch jobs for growth, better benefits, or work-life balance. But as you get older, career moves should become more strategic. Remember, it's not just about time or money, it's about what you've accomplished and where you're headed. Build your skills, stay self-aware, and think about the big picture. Now, let's discuss some points to improve our worth at our workplace. Know your market value. Research industry standards for your role using platforms like Glassdoor, PayScale, or LinkedIn Salary Insights. Understand the geographical differences in pay. Salaries can vary greatly depending on the region. Stay updated on current trends in your industry that could impact your pay, such as technological advancements or shifts in demand. Build a personal brand. Actively engage in networking both online and offline. Attend industry events, webinars, and make use of LinkedIn. Build your own reputation through thought leadership by sharing insights, writing articles, or even starting a blog or podcast. Develop specialized skills that set you apart, and be known as an expert in those areas. Demonstrate results, not just effort. Focus on measurable achievements that demonstrate the value you bring. Use data and specific examples to show how you've contributed to the company's success. Share your success stories during performance reviews or interviews. Quantifiable results speak louder than just listing job responsibilities. Negotiate from a position of strength. Don't settle for the first offer. Always negotiate your salary, even if it's just to ask for more flexibility or better benefits. Be prepared to walk away if the offer doesn't meet your expectations, and always consider the total compensation package, not just base salary. Practice negotiation tactics and prepare your case. What you bring to the table is just as important as what you're asking for. Know when to leave. If you're underpaid or undervalued, it's time to start thinking about a career move. A job that doesn't offer growth opportunities or fair compensation can stunt your professional development. Don't wait too long for a raise that never comes. If your company is not offering clear pathways for advancement, it might be time to move on. If you're feeling stuck or uninspired, it's a sign that you're not in the right place anymore. Your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as your paycheck. Develop multiple income streams. Don't rely solely on your 9-to-5 job for income. Start freelancing, create an online business, or invest to create passive income. Having multiple streams of income can also give you more leverage when negotiating with your employer, knowing that you're not solely dependent on one source. Stay flexible and adaptable. Be open to new opportunities within or outside of your current company. Sometimes lateral moves can lead to better roles or compensation down the road. In today's fast-changing job market, adaptability is crucial. The ability to learn new skills, pivot into emerging fields, or switch industries could put you in a stronger position to command higher pay. Get mentorship and career coaching. Find mentors who can offer insights into your industry and salary expectations. Mentorship can help you navigate career growth and salary negotiations. Career coaches can also help you understand your worth and give you strategies to approach job switching and salary discussions with confidence. Know when to stay and fight for what you deserve. Sometimes, instead of switching jobs, it's more strategic to advocate for yourself in your current role. If your job aligns with your long-term goals and the culture is supportive, a conversation with HR or your manager might be all that's needed to adjust your pay. Don't underestimate the power of asking for what you deserve. Just because your employer hasn't offered a raise doesn't mean you shouldn't ask for one when it's deserved. These points not only address how to get paid what you're worth, but also how to recognize when it's time to move on to bigger opportunities. At the end of the day, no one else can decide what's right for your career but you. Whether you're staying, hopping, or negotiating, the key is to be strategic, confident, and always aiming for growth. What's your take on job hopping? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's help each other grow. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on leveling up your career and finances.